Hello, and welcome to Lore Learn English. I am Amelia.
And I am James. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very important topic for you.
Yes, today we are talking about vocabulary.
We are talking about how to improve your vocabulary every single day.
This is so important for every English learner.
If you are a beginner, this episode is perfect for you.
And if you already know some English, this episode will help you speak better.
So let us begin.
First, let us talk about why vocabulary is so important. Vocabulary means the words you know. Say that word with me. Vocabulary. Vocabulary. Good. The more words you know, the better you can speak. Think about it this way. Words are like tools.
Yes, if you have more tools, you can build more things.
If you know more words, you can say more things.
Many people study grammar for years.
But they still cannot speak well
Do you know why?
because they do not have enough vocabulary.
That is right. Grammar is important, but vocabulary comes first.
When you know the right words, people understand you.
And you understand them too.
So today, we will give you simple and powerful ways to grow your vocabulary every single day.
Our first method is very simple. Learn 3 new words every day. Say that with me. 3 new words every day.
3 new words every day.
Just 3 words. Not 10, not 20, just 3.
3 words every day is easy to remember.
And 3 words every day means over 1,000 new words every year.
1,000 new words. That is amazing.
So how do you learn 3 new words every day?
You can use a small notebook.
Write the new word, write the meaning, write 1 example sentence.
For example, today, our first word is confident.
Confident. Say it with me. Confident.
Confident.
Confident means you feel sure about yourself.
Example sentence. She feels confident when she speaks English.
She feels confident when she speaks English.
Now you say it. She feels confident when she speaks English.
Beautiful. That is how you learn 1 new word.
Simple, clear, and easy to remember.
Our second method is very powerful.
Always use new words in sentences.
Do not just read a new word.
Do not just write it down.
Use it. Say it out loud. Put it in a sentence.
This is how your brain remembers words.
Let us practice together right now.
Our second word today is practice.
Practice. Say it with me. Practice.
Practice.
Practice means to do something again and again to get better.
Example sentence. I practice English every morning.
I practice English every morning.
Now you say it. I practice English every morning.
Very good. Say it 1 more time. I practice English every morning.
When you say a new word in a sentence, your brain connects the word to real life.
And that is how you never forget it.
Our third method is listening and repeating.
This is one of the best ways to build vocabulary fast.
When you listen to English every day, you hear new words naturally.
And when you repeat what you hear, your mouth learns the words too.
That is called shadowing.
Shadowing. Say it with me. Shadowing.
Shadowing.
Shadowing means you listen and repeat at the same time.
Like a shadow, you follow exactly what you hear.
This podcast is perfect for shadowing practice.
Listen to us speak Then repeat our sentences.
Let us practice right now.
Repeat after me. I am learning new words every day.
I am learning new words every day.
My vocabulary is growing every day.
My vocabulary is growing every day.
I feel more confident when I speak English.
I feel more confident when I speak English.
That is shadowing practice, simple and very effective.
Our fourth method is very personal.
Connect new words to your own life.
When a new word reminds you of something in your life, you never forget it.
For example, our third word today is routine.
Routine. Say it with me. Routine.
Routine.
Routine means something you do regularly, every day.
Think about your morning routine.
What do you do every morning?
Maybe you wake up, make coffee, read the news.
That is your morning routine.
Now use the word in a sentence about your life.
My morning routine helps me feel calm and ready.
My morning routine helps me feel calm and ready.
Now you say it. My morning routine helps me feel calm and ready.
When you connect a word to your own life, it becomes part of you.
And you will never forget it.
Now let us review everything we learned today.
We learned 4 powerful methods to improve your vocabulary every single day.
Method 1. Learn 3 new words every day.
Method 2. Use new words in sentences.
Method 3. Listen and repeat every day.
Method 4. Connect new words to your own life.
And we learned 3 important words today.
Word 1. Confident. Feeling sure about yourself.
Word 2. Practice. To do something again and again to get better.
Word 3. Routine. Something you do regularly every day.
Now let us say all 3 words together.
Confident. Practice. Routine.
Confident. Practice. Routine.
Say them one more time with us. Confident. Practice. Routine.
Beautiful. You are doing so well.
Now it is your turn. We have a challenge for you in the comments.
Write one sentence using one of today's 3 words. Use confident, practice, or routine in your sentence. For example, you can write, my daily routine is to listen to English podcasts. Or you can write,
I practice English for 15 minutes every morning.
write your sentence in the comments right now.
We read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to Lore Learn English. Click the subscribe button right now. We make new episodes every week just for you.
And every episode helps you speak English with more confidence.
You are never too old to learn, and you are never alone on this journey.
We are here with you every step of the way.
Thank you so much for listening today.
You did a wonderful job. We are proud of you.
Keep practicing every single day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Until next time.
See you next time.